So what did we do? We took off this trim right here. You lever out the weather seal. It's in pretty tight. Don't break it. Use a bit of silicone spray. Goes out much easier. Then this one is here. See it here, the 2 bolts. Also Torx 20. One's over there. And you just take it out like this. Poof! Gives you all the room to put in the window, the new window. That's what we're gonna do right now. Then the plan is to lower the window. I just put in back this bad boy because I was wrong. Gives you a little bit of playroom when you put it in. You leave everything here. Just taking out this trim will do the trick. You can slide it in, pop, drop the window, then mount trim back. Put in the weather seal. Will be a bit tricky, but you put in a little piece of the seal in the trim, you slide it in, then you mount the bolts, screw in the bolts, and then the rest of the seal. And when the window is down, you have all the room here to play around. So that was it. Had to figure it out myself. Didn't find any info on Saab 93 model 2010. So yep, I'm gonna put in the window. I'm gonna tighten it, then lower the window again. Just connect the switch temporarily to lower the window, and we'll do that. Hup. Be careful, safety glass. It shatters everywhere. Can be handy when you have a friend, but I don't have a lot of friends, and the ones I do have drink a lot, so it's better to work alone. Yep. So it's in place finally. Oh look, we have a window again. And also something to know. These ones are glued or pressed in on the window. When the window, the old window shattered, couldn't get the glass out. It's really tight in there. So this you have to leave on there. Comes with the window. So now it falls nicely into place. Just tighten it temporarily so it doesn't fall in the door. And something easy, I always check out the marks for where the last bolt was tightened. So the other window is exactly the same. I'm gonna go with this, just up a little bit so it doesn't wiggle around. Yep, pretty nice. Pretty nice. Oh, you have a little bit of play on the mechanism, so that will be easy to fix the trim, I think. Now we'll have to lower it. Easy cheesy. Yep, nothing in the way. Okay, gotta take the panel. You could pop out the switch thing, but it's old plastic, so I don't know. I surely don't want to break it because it looks like it would break. Maybe with a little help. A little help from my friend. I'm not playing music because YouTube says it's not okay to play music. Come on. one, that's two, and I think one over there, perhaps. Oh, right. Yep. And there we go. It pops out, barely. Up. If you need some article numbers, right there. The real Saab, made in Hungary. Where all the people are hungry. Hungry. Haha. Yep. Simple switch. To reset the window, most cars just push it down completely. When it's completely down, you wait a bit, about a couple of seconds, go completely up. If it stops, you go again, go completely up, you hold, wait a couple of seconds, you go down, same thing 2 times. When it doesn't work, try it 4 times. It should work. Most cars, that's the reset case, because when the window is frozen, most people are gonna try to push and push and push, and yeah, when it's frozen, it's stuck. So that's the way how there's a sequence. When you push these buttons for a couple of times, it's depends. Some brands say you have to push it 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Up, you stop the window, and then you go completely, or you depends on the manual. And so when the window is stuck, the thing is, you could program it to always open on a certain height, and then when you really want to close the window, it just stops all the time at the same height. I think a lot of people will find this very, very common. Bon. Just put in the module, so it's mounted like this on the panel. So right, it's like up. There's a little lever. Just put it in there. Up. And this one goes. That's a really stubborn one, really sharp, hard plastic. And always pay attention when you do things like that. The electrics are off. And now we have to turn on the switch. Normally, although the car is open, so it may work. Nope, doesn't work. Just turn on the switch. Find the key. Yep. Yeah. Alarm is not triggered, so the main reason why we nope, alarm is not triggered. We took off the panel because I thought I had to replace the CIM, the module for the transponder, but seems the customer had his key on the reception, had this work. So we broke in, we smashed in the window, and the alarm went off for like an hour. I managed to turn it off, and then I said, shit, I have to come back because I was missing some tools or something. And at reception, the lady said, oh,